Hi everyone, Sue Markgraf with Greenmark Media. Today my job is taking me to Grant Woods in Ingleside, Illinois, part of the Lake County Forest Preserves, and a very important research project that is being led by Pati Vitt, who is a very noted and respected horticulturist and environmentalist, and on staff at the Lake County Forest Preserves. This restoration is revolutionary. It is certainly one of a kind here in the upper Midwest area. The results of this research, which are studying native seeds viability in the face of climate change, will inform not only forest preserve districts nationally and parklands nationally, but our horticulture and our agriculture industries. That's our food, folks. This is a really important story and very important research. Those people back there behind me are planting and restoring a wetlands area. And the irony of all this is Patty's studying the results of native plants and native seeds in the face of climate change while she's working with it.